Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll be discussing a general update on BTC. So before getting into the analysis, let's go and check what happened to the last prediction. Okay, so let's go to the chart. So I'm on Bitcoin crypto exchange chart. Okay, it's on 2 hour. So the last prediction was more probability was to the downside. Currently the market is in a sideways. You can see the market doesn't move up and down. Okay, it's in a range. Okay, so the last video I have said that we had form a inverse head and shoulder. So if it breaks to these two important trend lines, then market could go higher. Okay, so if that fails, the descending trend line, okay, that whenever I spotted this trend line, what happens after breakout to the upside, and it goes for a few distance to the upside. Okay, so what happens after that? It goes for a aggressive selling pressure. Okay, the same way goes for the ascending trend line also. So let's erase this, and let's go for a further analysis. So the trend lines that I driven here are important because those are the prices where multiple times it has mitigated and tested. So those are very important places. So the market, yeah, recently the market reacted to a price here. Okay, I didn't mark that, I didn't mention that. So it's in a 2 hours. I'll just mark that. You can see that I'll mark in other colors. Okay, you can see that orange color trend line, right? So there we can see that my price has multiple times it has mitigated over here. So I consider this as a very big interest. Okay, interest level. So the market is currently between two trend lines. It's like a ranging form. Okay, so I think market, if the market hold this trend line, okay, this was given in the last video. If you didn't check that, go and check that in our channel. So what happened here, guys? In the last video I said that it has made an inverse head and shoulder, and if the market breaks here, it could go for higher. The price targets that I gave was 88,000 and 92,000. So market climbed, but not in a impulse and correction wave. It has gone in a sideways. Okay, so another, the most probable I gave was to the downside. What happened? The market gave so much of fake outs. I said the market broke these trend lines that I driven here, the second green line. Okay, the market could aggressively sell. So what happened? The market aggressively sold, but a sudden buying pressure has come here, and the second time also it has happened. It was like a fake out. And current market, what happened? The trend line is broken aggressively here and made a retest also. If you go for 1 hour 15 minutes, you can see the retest here, and the 1 hour it's clearly it's visible here. You can see the breakout and a retest. You can see here, right? So this was a reasonable one. So those who took trades could have gained a big profit here. It's about 4%. So the market again, it has come for a test. So I don't think this trend line could hold this. Okay, and there's another pattern that I recognized here. You can see that I'll just mark another color here. Okay, I hope this is visible for you. You can see this rising wedge, right? It's an indication for a sell opportunities. Okay, it's an indication for a drop in the market. So what happened to the market? It has made a fake out here, exactly mitigating the point of interest that I driven here recently. Okay, so it has made a fake out. So these are traps. So the market could act according to this, like this. Okay, can even go in a sideway like the last time. Can even go in the sideway between these two ranges. okay, and if it bounce, then we go higher. If it bounce and break, it goes higher, because in the 90,000 level, price level, there's so much of liquidities. Okay, it's about 4 billion liquidities. If you go for the heat map, you can see that 68% for a bearish side. If only, okay, if only these two trend lines were broken. Okay, so there are more confirmation for us. If only these two green color trend lines are broken, then we can surely say that market is gonna aggressively sell in the future. Okay, so the lowest probabilities to the upside. Okay, anything could happen in a microseconds, so it can go up and down like this. So be careful with the trades. So if the green trend line over here, this is a support. Okay, if this holds the price and if it makes the price to climb up, so this can reach at least this $92,000 that I gave in the last time. Okay, so these are the two scenarios that could happen. And also you can see that there's another descending trend line here in 2 hours. Okay, so it is being tested right now. Okay, so you can see that clearly, right? I'll just mark in another one color. So you can see that the market has broken to the descending trend line here, and it has come for a retest. Okay, so after every time the descending trend line is broken, what happens, we can expect a aggressive selling pressure. Okay, so I have spotted this pattern everywhere in the crypto market, and if it manages to climb, then we can assure that this price is leading to a higher price. So to confirm that, we should break this orange line here. It's currently acting as a resistance here. Okay, so we should expect the price to break and make a retest, and we can look for a long in this area. Okay, that's what the two scenarios that could happen in the BTC market. Okay, so that's all for the video, guys, and if you have any doubt, drop in the comments and I'll explain in the next videos, or I'll make a video for that. And I hope this analysis was helpful for you. So let's meet up on another crypto analysis. So until then, goodbye, guys.